Good afternoon. Today's topic on the median for medical statics. It is also called as a Q2 because it donates a second quartile or a positional values. Introduction. It is the second measure of a central tendency. Here three qualities Q1, Q2, Q3, which divide the distribution into the four parts or equals. These are Q1, Q2, Q3. Second central tendency is the median. Median or in second quartile divides the distribution into a two equal parts, that is 50% of the distribution is below the median and 50% is the above the median. 50% is the above the median and 50% is the below the median. Q1 is nothing but the n by 4. Q3 is nothing but the 3x n divided by 4 atom, where n is the total number of the observation. Calculation. When I for type 1 problem, when n is an odd number, if the total number of observation are odd, then arrange the observation either in ascending or in descending order, then calculate the median by the following method. Q2 or a median is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. These are the example how the type 1 of a odd number of observation. Then second, if when the n is even, then total number of observation is a plus b divided by 2. a and are a and b are the two middle atoms in a given set of data. If the total number of observation are even, then median is average of two middle atoms after they have been arranged in a ascending or in descending order. These are the example. Number of a patient in OPD are treated for the 6 consecutive days, 11, 12, 10 and 34, 30. The observation are given or arranging in the ascending order, where A is equal to 12 and B is equal to 30. Then total number of observation A plus B divided by 2. These are the type 3 problem. A is a cumulative frequency distribution table is a constructed. Then n by 2 atom is a calculated and identify in a CFD, that is a cumulative frequency distribution, and the median of the corresponding value x value is n by 2 atom. This table shows the number of illness. CFT 24 plus 76 is 100, then 100 plus 114 is 214, and 214 plus 115 329. This is the Q2, means n by 2, where a calculation of a median for even number of observation, where a Q2 is a median, is n is the total number of observation. Q2 is the 516, the last cumulative frequency 516 divided by 2 is the 258 atom. Identify the 258 atom in a CFD. This is the 3 to 9 is the median, and the corresponding value in the median is 3. The median is 3. Then type 3 problem. Median class should be identified using the cumulative frequency, that is Q2 is n by 2 value. The various related values are identified and calculated. Formula Q2 is equal to n1 plus l2 minus l1. Q2 is the median, l1 is the lower limit of the median class, l2 is the upper limit of the median class, and the PCF is a preceding cumulative frequency. F is the frequency of the median class. Following table shows the example. You can see Q2 Q2 is equal to n by 2, means the calculation of a median for even number of observation. The last cumulative frequency is 1000 divided by 2 is 500, and 500 is nearby 585, and Q2 is a median. L1 lower limit of the class is 35 and the upper limit 40. Then 35 plus 40 minus 35, in bracket q2 is nothing but the 500 and pcf is nothing but the preceding cumulative frequency है वो 425 divided by 160. 160 is nothing but the frequency. Calculation 37.34. Merits. What are the merits of the median? It is easy to understand, it is easy to calculate, not affected by the extreme values. Only average values are used to dealing with the qualitative data and used to determine the typical values. Maybe merely by inspection median can be calculated in some cases only. Demerits. Mode is not based on all the observation, gives only a positional values, not used for the further mathematical calculation. In case of even number of observation, median can be determined exactly. Then a mode. Dictionary meaning of the mode is a common, fashionable, or usual. Mode is the value which occur more frequently, that is maximum number of times in the given set of a data and around which other atom of a set or a cluster each other. Central point of a alteration. Then type 1, selection of a mode, that is the observation having a highest repetition. Find out the mode of the following data. 10 is a repeating 3 times in the given set, so 10 is the mode. Then type 2, selection of a mode, observation equal to observation containing the highest frequency. Following table, the in the following table the highest frequency for the number of children per family is the 2. Highest frequency is 25. So hence it is a mode of the given set is a 2. Then type 3, selection of a model class, that is the class containing a highest frequency. Mode equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into a C. C is nothing but the class interval. In the model first or last class, their frequency F0, that is a frequency not, and F2, that is it should be taken as a 0. Example, these are the example. If we consider, this is the where it is the highest frequency class is a 27 and 40 and 50 is the class. L1 is the lower limit of the class model. What is lower limit of the class model? 50 and the 60. F1 is the frequency of the model class 35. F0 frequency of the previous class. And then F2 is nothing but the frequency of the next class. Okay. And C is the class interval. We calculate and mode is 66. Merits. Most representative value of the given set of data, easy to calculate, not affected by the extreme value. Mode can be both qualitative and the quantitative data, easy to understand, average to use, find the ideal size. Demerit. Sometimes no mode or more than one mode is a given in a set of a distribution, not used for further mathematical calculation, not commonly used. Dispersion or the variation, measures of the variability. Introduction. In the previous chapter on a measure of a central tendency, it was providing as a single representation value of given data, but alone may not be adequate describe the complete data. This table showing marks scored by 3 students in the 6 subject. These are the table. The arithmetic mean of all the above students are same, that is 50, but student A has no variation, B has a little variation, and C has more variation. The scattered can be calculated by the various measures of a variability or a dispersion. Definition, that is a measure of a variation or a dispersion describe the spread or the scatteredness of the individual observation or the atoms around the central tendency. Significance gives a complete idea or a picture of a data, gives the information about the scatteredness around the central tendency, useful for the further calculation. Example, test of significance helps in a comparison or a distribution, gives idea about the reliability of the average value. Methods of a dispersion. Commonly used methods are the range, then a IQR means a interquartile range, then a semi interquartile range or a quartile deviation, then a median deviation or an range deviation, and then standard deviation. First one, range. Range is defined as a difference between the highest and the lowest values of the set of data. Then calculation, R is nothing but the H minus L, highest value minus lowest value. Following example, HB% in a 6 children. The highest value is 14 gram and the lowest value is 8.8 gram. The difference between is 5.2. So range is 5.2. Relative measure of a range is also called as a coefficient of the range. R is equal to H minus L divided by H plus L into 100. Merits is easy to understand, is easy to compare, and gives a first hand information about the variation. Demerits, it is not based on all the values affected by the extreme values. Interquartile range, that is IQR, it is defined as a difference between third quartile and the first quartile. IQR equal to Q3 minus Q1. Q3 is a third quartile, 3 into n by 4, and Q1 is the first quartile equal to n by 4, where n is the number of observation. Calculate IQR of the following weights of a 10 student. We are arrange this set of order in ascending order. Median Q formula Q3 equal to 3 into n by 4, where it is 3 into n, number of observation are 10, divided by 4, 7.4. Then Q1 we are calculated, that is 10 by 4 equal to 2.5 is the Q1. Then IQR is equal to Q3 minus Q1 means Q, what is Q3? 8. Q3 is the 8th atom of the, is a 64, and Q1 is a third atom, 48. Means IQR equal to 16. It is simple and easy to understand, easy to calculate, not affected by the extreme values. Demerits, it is a positional values based on the two quartiles, based on the first and the last values. Semi-quartile range or a quartile deviation, it is a measure of the variability calculated by the average difference of the third quartile and the first quartile. QD is nothing but the quartile deviation equal to IQR divided by 2 only. Same we are seen in the last example. In this quartile deviation, we have to divided by the 2 divided by the 2 to the interquartile deviation, means 16 by 2 equal to 8, or coefficient of the QD equal to Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1 into 100. See, the example is below. Merits, easy and simple to understand, easy to calculate it, not affected by the extreme values. Demerits, positional value based on a two quartile, based on first and last values. Median deviation or an average deviation, we called it as a MD or AD introduction. It is improvement in the previous method of the variation because it consider all the observation in a given set of data. Definition, it is an average amount of the scattered of the atom in a distribution from any measure of the central tendency by ignoring the mathematical sign. Calculation, it is calculated by the means average deviation epsilon in bracket, the x is the individual observation, it's and minus x dash, that is arithmetic mean, divided by the total number of the observation. These are the example. First we calculate the arithmetic mean, then average mean is the average deviation, summation of individual value minus the arithmetic mean divided by the total number of observation. We see in this example. Relative coefficient or the average deviation equal to CAD, means the coefficient of the average deviation, means AD divided by mean into the 100. Merits. What are the merits? Easy to calculate, easy to understand, based on all the observation. Demerits. Ignore the mathematical signs because it does not ignore the mathematical sign. Sum of deviation from the arithmetic mean will be the 0, that is summation of x minus x dash equal to 0. Standard deviation is nothing but the SD. It is most widely used and the best method for calculating deviation. While calculating the average deviation, though it makes into the consider of all the observation, it ignores the mathematical sign, but the standard deviation overcomes this problem by squaring the deviation. Definition. The standard deviation is the square root of the summation of square of deviation of a given set of observation from the arithmetic mean divided by the total number of observation. Formula. Standard deviation equal to in square root of the summation of x minus x naught square divided by n. Following are the example. Calculate the first arithmetic mean, then calculate x minus x dash, and then calculate the summation of x minus x dash square. Calculate then standard deviation. Coefficient deviation or the coefficient of the variation is nothing but the standard deviation divided by arithmetic mean into 100. Then type 2, individual observation with the frequency. See in the examples, they are given below. Calculate the standard deviation, coefficient deviation, variation. What are the significance? It's based on all the observation, based method of calculation without ignoring the mathematical sign, useful for further statistical calculation. For the standard error calculation, lesser the standard deviation, better the estimation of the population mean. Then the standard error. Introduction. Medical investigation, only a sample portion of the population is studied. The sample results are bounded to a differ for the population result. The difference of error is measured by the standard error. The word error means the difference between the true value and the population parameter and the estimated value provided by the appropriate simple statistics. Definition. The standard error of the mirror is the standard deviation of the sample mean divided by the square root of the sample size. SE, that is the standard error, equal to SD upon square root of n. SD is nothing but the standard deviation divided by the total number of observation. Following are the example. Calculate first standard deviation and then standard error. Interpretation. The value of standard error is directly proportional with the standard deviation. Higher the standard error, higher the standard higher the standard deviation, higher the standard error. The value of standard error is inversely proportional with the sample size. Higher the sample size, higher the sample size, lower the standard errors. There will be a correction. Significance. A distribution of a sample that is a smaller SC better estimator of the population mean than the distribution of a sample that has a large SE. Correlation or the correlation analysis. Based on the number of variables, there are three types of the statistical analysis: universal analysis, bivariate analysis, multivariate analysis. Univer- univar- Univariate analysis, the statistical analysis has only one variable, so it is called as a univariate analysis. That is a mean and the mode. Bivariate, those set of analysis which have two variables called as a bivariate analysis. Example, correlation, regression analysis. Multivariate analysis, those set of analysis which have more than two variables called as a multivariate analysis. Example, multiple correlation analysis, multiple regression analysis. Correlation is the method of investigating the relationship between the two variables, both of which are quantitative in nature. Correlation analysis attempts to determine the degree of two variables. Example, increase in the advertisement and increase of the sale, increase in a family income, decrease in the mortality rate. There are 5 types of a correlation. PNC means a perfect positive correlation. This one. Then IPC is a imperfect positive correlation. PNC is a perfect negative correlation, and this one. And NC means a no correlation. Perfect positive correlation, then imperfect positive correlation, no correlation, and imperfect negative correlation, and the perfect negative correlation. Perfect positive correlation, if the values of two variables vary in the same direction and in the same proportion, then it is called as a perfect positive correlation. PPF, here the value of R will be a +1, age and the expenses. Imperfect positive correlation, if the values of two variables are in the same direction but not in a same proportion, then it is called as a imperfect positive correlation. Then value of R will be a greater than +1. Perfect negative correlation, if the values of two variables are opposite in a direction, not in the same proportion, then it is a perfect negative correlation. Then the value of R is a -1. Imperfect negative correlation, if the values of two variables varies in opposite direction but not in the same proportion. No correlation, if there is a no relationship between two variables, if the values of two variables do not vary either in the same direction or in the same proportion, then it is called as a no correlation. Method of a calculation: do not scatter diagram, do dot or scatter diagram, Carl Pearson's coefficient of a correlation, and the rank correlation. Carl Pearson's coefficient of the correlation. It is a mathematical measure of the correlation between the two variables, denoted by the R, that is a coefficient of the correlation, equal to covariance of a x and a y divided by standard deviation of x and y. These are the formula: equal to n summation of xy minus summation of x into summation of y divided by square root of n under the bracket summation of x square minus summation of x square into the n under the bracket summation of y square minus summation of y square whole square. Then R equal to indirect method and direct method. There are two. These are the formulas for the direct method also. Calculate the necessary values in a formulas. If we put, we can calculate both imperfect positive values, perfect positive values by the direct and the indirect method. Regression, it is the bivariate analysis. The word meaning of regression is a stepping back or a returning to the average value. The term regression was first introduced in 1977 by the famous British biometrician Sir Francis Galton. He studied the relationship between the height of a thousand fathers and son, and concluded that all tall fathers had a tall son and all short fathers had short son. The average height of tall son was less than their tall fathers, and the average height of short sons will more than their short fathers. The above study revealed the height of a son of abnormally tall and short fathers tend to revert back or a step back to the average height of the population, a phenomenon which he described as a regression. But nowadays regression is used in a wider perspective in the field of statistics, budget and the target setting. Significance concept of a regression is used to predict the future event, either finding out a dependent variable based on an independent variable or vice versa. Regression question, regression equation on a x and y. Mm. Calculation of a correlation of a coefficient using a regression equation. These are the so many formulas and the calculation. Thank you so much for listening.